We'll see how we can calculate electric potential due to an electric dipole. In the last chapter, we have seen what is a dipole. So today we'll see potential due to dipole, due to an electric dipole. We know what is a dipole. Dipole is an arrangement which consists of two equal and opposite charges. So consider a dipole. Consider an electric dipole consisting of two equal and opposite charges two equal and opposite charges. Say plus q and minus q, separated by small distance 2a. Now we know the magnitude of dipole moment is given by is P equal to q into 2a, magnitude of any one charge multiplied by the distance between them. So this is this much we have learnt in the last class. Now today we'll see how the electric potential at any point can be calculated when it is in this region of dipole. We will consider the dipole with charge minus q and plus q, so which are placed at two different places. Let charge minus q is placed at P and charge plus q is placed at capital Q. Now we'll draw here. Let us say this point and then another point here. Let us say this is point P and this is point Q, and we said charge minus q is placed at P and charge plus q is placed at capital Q. Let O be the center, and we know that total distance between them is 2a. Is the total distance between them. Or the distance this is a, OP is a and OQ is also a. A Okay, so let us say we need to find out electric potential at point R. Consider a point R. Consider a point R where we have to find out the electric potential. Let the distance between Q and R is some R1, and between P and capital R is some R2. So let me say this distance is R1, this is R2, and from the center O it is, say, at a distance R. So this is an arrangement. So we said let charge minus Q is placed at O and plus Q is placed at Q. Now the electric potential at point R is the sum of electric potential due to charge minus Q and plus Q, and electric potential obeys superposition principle. Electric potential obeys superposition principle. So the total electric potential due to electric dipole as a whole would be sum of potential due to both the charges plus Q and minus Q. Potential due to electric dipole as a whole would be sum of electric potential due to both charges plus Q and minus Q. So we need to find out the potential at R, and we said let R1 is the distance of point R from Q and R2 is the distance of point R from P. So the potential at point R is given by electric potential at point R Rs due to charge minus Q and plus Q will be equal to V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into plus Q divided by R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus Q divided by R2. This will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R1 minus Q by R2. Here what are R1? R1 and R2 are distances of charge plus Q and minus Q from point R respectively. R1 is the distance between Q and plus Q and point R. Similarly, R2 is the distance between minus Q and point R. Now we will try to write this electric potential V in terms of the dipole moment, that is P. So now you draw PC perpendicular to RO. So let us extend this line and draw PC perpendicular to RO. PC is perpendicular to RO. Similarly, draw line QD perpendicular to RO. Draw PC perpendicular to RO. Also draw QD perpendicular to RO. Now from these triangles we will try to find out R1 and R2, this R1 and R2 in terms of R, and let this angle is theta. So this angle is theta and this angle is also theta. So from triangle COP, triangle OCP, consider triangle OCP. Triangle OCP, we have cos theta equal to, cos theta is, here cos theta is OC by OP, OC by OP. Or OC is OP cos theta, and from the figure you can see that OP is A. OP is equal to A. So this is A cos theta. Similarly, you can take the other triangle, that is triangle OQD. We can write cos theta is OD divided by OQ, or OD, you will get OD equal to A cos theta. Triangle OQD, triangle ODQ, cos theta is OD by OQ, or OD equal to OQ cos theta, and we know OQ is the distance A cos theta. Now from figure, R1 is QR. R1 is QR, which is approximately equal to dr. R1 equal to QR, which is approximately equal to dr, which can also be written as OR minus dr. So R1 equal to QR, which is approximately equal to RD, which can be written as OR minus OD. So refer to the figure. So this is just mathematical calculation. So it is R minus A cos theta. Similarly, you can find out what is R2. Refer to the figure. So you'll get R2 is PR, which is approximately equal to RC, and RC you can write it as OR plus OC, which is equal to R plus A cos theta. So now we can write electric potential V equal to, substitute the value of R1 and R2. V equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 divided by R minus A cos theta minus 1 by R plus A cos theta. Now let us simplify this. Take the common denominator. R plus A cos theta minus R minus A cos theta divided by R plus A cos theta into R minus A cos theta. So taking the common denominator. So you don't have any difficulty in this. Now simplify this. You will get R will get cancelled. So minus of minus will become plus. So you will get this as V equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2A cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. So R plus A cos theta into R minus A cos theta. So it is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So simplify. So you'll get cos square theta. Now and we know, so Q into 2A is equal to P. So we get